7 hidden vinegar secrets that will transform your home. What if I told you that one simple bottle sitting in your kitchen right now could replace almost every expensive cleaner you've ever bought? That's right, I'm talking about vinegar. Most people think vinegar is only good for cooking, but Marcus here is about to show you why your grandparents knew something we've all forgotten. If you're tired of spending money on cleaning products that don't work, then stick around because today on Seniors Cleaning Hacks, we're diving deep into 7 incredible, unexpected ways to use vinegar around your entire home. Trust me, after this video, you'll never look at that bottle the same way again. Before we jump in, do me a favor. Hit that like button if you want to save money and stop throwing cash away on fancy cleaners. And if you haven't subscribed to Seniors Cleaning Hacks yet, now is absolutely the perfect time. This channel is all about smart, budget-friendly solutions for keeping your home spotless. Subscribe now and you'll get all our latest cleaning hacks delivered straight to your feed. Why vinegar is your secret cleaning superpower. So what exactly makes vinegar so special? Let me break this down for you, because understanding the science behind your cleaning products makes all the difference. Every cleaning product has its own unique job to do. Take baking soda, for example. It's an abrasive substance, which means it can scrub away tough stuff. It also works as a deodorizer. It actually eliminates odors rather than just masking them. Plus, baking soda is a natural brightener, making surfaces look refreshed and new. Then there's dish soap. This is a detergent and a surfactant. What does that mean? Well, a surfactant is designed to lift dirt and grime up from a surface so you can easily wipe it away. Dish soap breaks the surface tension of water, which is why it's so effective at cutting through grease. Now here's where vinegar comes in. Vinegar is an acid, and this is its superpower. Just like lemon juice, vinegar can break down stubborn grease buildup and eliminate bad odors. The best part? It's way cheaper and easier to find than lemon juice. Plus, vinegar leaves surfaces completely streak-free and sparkling clean. This is why your grandparents relied on it for decades.
Unexpected vinegar cleaning hack number 1. The ultimate vinegar and dish soap combo. Let's talk about combining 2 powerhouse products together. When you mix vinegar and dish soap, you create something truly remarkable. A cleaner so effective, it will make you wonder why you ever bought those expensive spray bottles. Here's the basic ratio that works for most jobs. 2 parts vinegar to 1 part dish soap. This creates a thick, powerful cleaner that can tackle serious greasy, grimy buildup that's been sitting around for far too long. Now here's something important. There's no single magic formula that works for every situation. You need to think about what you're actually trying to clean. Different jobs need different approaches, and understanding this is what separates a decent cleaner from an outstanding one. If you're facing a really tough job, maybe your stovetop has months of grease buildup, or your kitchen cabinets are sticky from cooking splatters, you'll want to increase the dish soap in your mixture. Why? Because dish soap is the surfactant. It does the heavy lifting of bringing all that dirt and grease up to the surface where you can wipe it away easily. On the other hand, vinegar is more about breaking down and dissolving. It's your acid worker. So if you're cleaning something like a dirty outdoor window that's covered in dust and pollen, but not necessarily greasy, you'd want to add extra vinegar to your mixture. You won't need as much dish soap because there isn't that heavy, greasy buildup to tackle. Instead, you want more of that streak-free shine that vinegar provides. Here's a pro tip. You will still need to do some cleanup afterward because dish soap can leave behind a residue. However, this residue is nowhere near as bad as it would be if you were only using straight soap. The vinegar helps cut through and minimize this leftover film. So, here's the strategy. Start with that 2-to-1 ratio. Once you try it, if you feel like something isn't working perfectly, adjust it. Add more water to dilute it if you've overdone it. Add more vinegar if you need extra cleaning power. Add more soap if you're dealing with serious grease. This is about experimenting and finding what works best for your unique situation. Don't just use this combo in one spot and assume it will work everywhere. Test it, see how it performs. This mixture is incredibly versatile and can be used in most rooms around your home. Just make sure that vinegar is actually safe to use on the specific surface you're cleaning.
Unexpected vinegar cleaning hack number 2, the garden's natural weed killer. All right, let's move outside for a moment. Are you tired of those pesky weeds taking over your garden, your driveway, or your walkway? If you live somewhere like Canada, where certain commercial weed killers are banned, you might have discovered this hack already. But if you haven't, prepare to have your mind blown. Plain white vinegar is incredibly effective at killing weeds. Seriously, it works. If you can get your hands on the stronger stuff, vinegar that's 6%, 10%, or even higher, even better. But regular 5% vinegar will do the job. Here's how you do it. Fill a spray bottle with undiluted straight vinegar. No mixing, no diluting, just pure vinegar. Now, take that bottle straight to the weeds you want to eliminate. Get up close and personal with them. Spray the vinegar directly onto the plant, but here's the key. Focus on spraying right at the root system. The top of the plant isn't where the magic happens. The root is where you need to concentrate your effort, because that's where you kill the problem permanently. But here's what you absolutely must be careful about. Do not spray this vinegar on any plants, flowers, or grass that you actually want to keep alive. Vinegar doesn't discriminate. It will kill whatever plant it touches. So if you've got beautiful roses next to your weeds, be precise with your spraying. Just hit the weeds. If you've got weeds growing between interlocking pavers or in the cracks of your driveway, you can actually pour the vinegar directly into those crevices. Let it sit there and do its work. This works beautifully because the vinegar gets right down to where those root systems are hiding. For aggressive weed problems, where you've let things get out of hand over the years, vinegar is your answer. It's affordable, it's natural, and it actually works. Your garden will thank you, and so will your wallet.
Unexpected vinegar cleaning hack number 3, reviving your bathroom's most neglected tools. Let's be honest about something. Every bathroom has those tools nobody wants to think about. Your toilet brush, your plunger. These are the items we use when we absolutely have to, then we try to forget they exist as quickly as possible. Am I right? Here's the thing. These tools almost never get cleaned because, let's face it, when are you ever going to feel motivated to actually grab your plunger and give it a thorough washing? The answer is probably never, unless someone tells you how simple it is. Well, I'm telling you right now, it's simple, and it's going to change your life. Get a bucket, fill it with straight vinegar. That's it. No mixing, no complicated recipe, just vinegar. Now take those tools, your brush, your plunger, whatever else you have, and soak them in that vinegar. Leave them overnight. Or if you're in a hurry, at least 30 minutes will help. What's happening during this soak? The vinegar is breaking down all the nasty buildup that's been accumulating. You know, all those bacteria colonies, the mineral deposits, the film that builds up over time and creates those unpleasant odors. The vinegar dissolves all of this stuff without you having to lift a finger. After the soak, dump out the vinegar somewhere appropriate where you won't be eating anytime soon. Give your tools a good rinse under running water. Let them dry completely. Then put them back where they belong. The amazing thing? You probably didn't have to do any scrubbing at all. That's the beauty of vinegar. It does the hard work for you. These tools will come out cleaner, fresher, and actually more pleasant to handle. Your bathroom will smell better too because those odors are actually gone, not just masked.
Unexpected vinegar cleaning hack number 4. Clear your car's windshield wipers. Here's something that nobody talks about, but everybody experiences. Have you ever noticed that your windshield wipers just aren't working right? They're leaving streaks, they're leaving dirty spots, they're smearing everything around instead of cleaning it. Most people don't think about their wipers until something goes wrong. It's like your pinky toe. You don't notice it until you stub it, and then suddenly it's all you can think about. Same thing with windshield wipers. When your wipers get dirty, and they will, they become completely useless. Dead bugs, road grime, dust buildup, dried cleaning product, all of this accumulates on those rubber blades and makes your driving experience miserable. Here's the quick fix that takes less than 5 minutes. Take a clean cloth, Dip it into straight vinegar. Don't soak it, just get it nicely dampened. Now pull your windshield wipers back into their raised position. This is important because you want clear access to both sides of the blade. Now gently wipe that cloth along the wiper blade. Do this several times in an up and down motion. Think of it like you're playing a violin. Gentle, controlled movements. Don't scrub aggressively. Just let the vinegar do the work of loosening all that buildup and grime. Once you've gone over the blade multiple times with your damp cloth, switch to a fresh, dry area of your cloth. Wipe one final time to remove any remaining vinegar residue and ensure the blade is completely clean. That's it, you're done. Get back out on the road with confidence. Your windshield is now spotless and your wipers will perform perfectly. This is such a simple task that takes moments but makes such a huge difference in your driving safety and visibility.
Unexpected vinegar cleaning hack number 5. Eliminate those awful compost bin odors. If you're someone who composts, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Those compost containers, especially the ones with lids, start sweating. That's not a metaphor. They literally sweat, and that sweat is gross. But here's the bigger problem. All that moisture pools at the bottom of your bin. It mixes with the decomposing organic material and creates what I call garbage juice. It's wet, it's smelly, and it's absolutely disgusting. You open your compost bin and get hit with this awful smell that makes you regret your environmentally conscious decisions. This is where vinegar becomes your best friend. After you've removed your compost bag or emptied your container, here's all you do. Pour some vinegar into the bottom of that bin. Just pour it in and leave it alone. No fussing with it, no wiping, no spinning cloths around. Just let the vinegar sit overnight and do its job. What's happening is the vinegar is breaking down all that nasty buildup. It's eliminating the bacteria that's causing those odors. It's dissolving the sludgy stuff at the bottom. You're not doing any work. The vinegar is doing all of it. In the morning, simply dump out the vinegar, give the bin a good rinse with water, let it dry, pop your fresh compost bag back in. No more sweaty smell, no more garbage juice stench. Your composting experience is now pleasant instead of something you dread. This is such an easy solution to such an annoying problem.
Unexpected vinegar cleaning hack number 6. Deep clean your dental aligners and retainers. All right, this one might seem specific, but hear me out. Whether you wear Invisalign trays, a retainer, or a night guard for sleeping or sports, this hack is going to change how clean these feel. Let me tell you something personal. I wore braces twice, first when I was 13 and then again later as an adult with Invisalign trays. Those aligners, they get absolutely revolting. I was obsessive about brushing mine, multiple times a day, at least twice, usually more. But here's the thing. These trays live in your mouth all the time. Your mouth is warm and moist, which is a breeding ground for bacteria. Even if you brush constantly, bacteria and film build up. Your retainer starts to smell, your night guard develops this film, your aligners feel gross. Here's the simple solution. Take a cup of water, add equal parts vinegar to it. So if you have a cup of water, add a cup of vinegar. No, wait, that's too much. Let me clarify. Take a cup and fill it about half with water. Then add vinegar until it's about equal proportions, so roughly half and half. Now place your aligners, retainer, or night guard into this solution. Let them soak. An hour is great. Overnight is even better. You can also do this for shorter periods throughout the day if you prefer. What's happening is the vinegar is breaking down all that odor-causing bacteria. It's dissolving the film that builds up on these appliances. It's sanitizing them without you having to do any scrubbing. Now here's what's important. This soaking does not replace brushing. You still need to brush your aligners or retainers regularly, but this soak is like a deep clean that keeps them fresher between wearings. After you soak them, give them a thorough rinse under clean running water. Rinse really well. You want to make sure no vinegar smell or taste lingers. Once they're rinsed, put them back in. They'll feel noticeably fresher and cleaner. Unexpected vinegar cleaning hack number 7. Fix your shower head's hard water problem. Here's something that happens in bathrooms everywhere, and nobody talks about it enough. Go look at your shower head right now. If the water isn't coming out in a nice straight stream, if it's shooting off in weird directions, if some holes are working while others aren't, you've got a hard water problem. This isn't shameful. It's not a sign that you're dirty or haven't maintained your bathroom. Hard water is just natural mineral deposits that build up over time. It's perfectly normal, but it is annoying because your shower head stops working efficiently. The fix is almost too easy to believe. Get a plastic bag. A regular grocery bag works fine. Fill it with plain white vinegar. Make absolutely sure there are no holes in the bag. That would be a disaster we want to avoid. Affix this vinegar-filled bag to your shower head using an elastic band or rubber band. Just wrap it around and secure it so the bag is snug against the shower head, with the holes of the shower head submerged in the vinegar. Leave it overnight. Just go to bed and let the vinegar work its magic. While you sleep, the vinegar is dissolving all those hard water mineral deposits that have been building up inside your shower head. All those tiny mineral crystals that have been blocking the holes and restricting water flow, the vinegar is breaking them down. In the morning, remove the bag and dump the vinegar down the drain. Run your shower. Immediately, you'll notice the difference. The water comes out stronger. It comes out straight. The spray pattern is back to normal. If you're still having some issues after one treatment, take a soft cleaning toothbrush or a cloth and gently scrub the shower head. This will help remove any remaining mineral deposits. You can also repeat the vinegar soak if needed. This same trick works on faucet aerators too. If your bathroom or kitchen water pressure seems weak, it's probably hard water deposits in that tiny screen at the end of your faucet. Same solution. Vinegar soak overnight and you're back in business. Wrapping up and your next steps. So there you have it. 7 incredible ways to clean with vinegar that will completely change how you approach household cleaning. But honestly, we've barely scratched the surface of what this amazing, pungent liquid can do. Before you go, I have to ask you something. What's your relationship with the smell of vinegar? Some people absolutely hate it. They find it overwhelming and unpleasant. Some people are totally neutral about it. And some people actually love it. It brings back memories, reminds them of their grandparents' clean homes, and makes them happy. I've been creating videos here on seniors' cleaning hacks for years now, and I've heard every possible opinion on vinegar smell. It's one of the most polarizing scents out there. So please, tell me in the comments below, do you love it, hate it, or feel neutral? I genuinely want to know what our community thinks. And speaking of our community, if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. Share this video with a family member or friend who needs to save money on cleaning. Subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks so you get all our latest budget-friendly cleaning solutions delivered to you. Every single hack, every single tip, every single money-saving trick comes straight to your subscription feed. If you really love what we do here, if this channel has helped you save money and keep your home clean with simple, affordable solutions, consider supporting us. Your support helps us create more content, more hacks, and more ways to help you live better on any budget. There's another absolutely fascinating video we made about borax cleaning hacks that you absolutely have to see. The things you can do with borax will blow your mind. Check that out next. Thank you so much for watching Seniors Cleaning Hacks. We'll see you next time with more cleaning solutions that actually work.